Record.
This is our project on chemical weathering. This is a rock that contains salts. When rainwater falls onto it, the salts dissolve, creating holes and cracks. This weakens the soil, leading to the breakup of the rock. This process is known as solution. It is an example of chemical weathering. These are the short-term and long-term impacts of chemical weathering. Damaging of roofs causes rusting of iron and other metals. It erodes the limestone structures, causes hydrolysis and oxidation, which results in the discoloration of stone structures. It causes rust to develop on many iron objects, for example, fences, windows, frames, etc. The cement and concrete of large buildings will slowly dissolve by rainwater. Marble statues can be destroyed by rainwater. Rainwater is absorbed by the bricks of houses, and this causes a fungus to be formed.
Factors which contribute to the rate of weathering. Factors which contribute to the rate of chemical weathering. Mineral composition. Limestone and chalk are soluble in rainwater, thus the subject of carbonation solution. This is a form of chemical weathering. Joints are lines of weakness in rocks. Roots of trees and rainwater can enter the joint and bring about physical and chemical weathering. Grain size. The bigger the grain, the faster it will be weathered. Relief. When the relief of a place is steep, the landslides and slumming may occur, exposing the underlying rocks of weathering, especially physical. Climate. Rate of chemical weathering increases the temperature and rainfall increase. When there is a large range of temperature, exfoliation, granular disintegration and block disintegration are active. When temperature around the freezing point, example in mountain areas. This is also a form of physical weathering. Vegetation cover. Vegetation retains rainwater, and thus the rocks are subjected to chemical weathering. Manned activities. Man's industrial activities cause pollution in the air. This is a form of chemical weathering. The more mineral surface area exposed in the rocks by joints, the faster the weathering. This increases the water and oxygen to contract more number of cracks in the rocks until allowed intensively. This is a form of chemical weathering. The rates of chemical weathering tend to occur in hot, humid tropics. China is an example of where this occurs readily. It is most dominant because it is warm and has lots of rainfall. The temperature and the increased moisture provide the correct environment for rapid chemical weathering. The rocks in Trinidad contain minerals, example limestone, that are soluble in rainwater and so chemical weathered through carbonation. Thank you.